Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I've created 2 new DIYs that are simple, affordable, and easy for you to recreate. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. For my first DIY, I'm going to be starting off with this plastic bowl from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be painting it with this metallic gold craft paint. Next, I'm going to take this small fishbowl from the Dollar Tree, as well as these metallic gold butterfly wall stickers. I'll also be using some bling jewels that I already had. And now I'm just going to add some tube confetti. And a Dollar Tree tea light. And yeah, here's what it looks like, guys. What do you think? For my next DIY, I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree glass container, as well as this bling ribbon that I picked up from Amazon. I'll be adding this iridescent tea light holder from Dollar Tree. I'm going to add some diamond vase filler. And so here's what they look like. What do you guys think? Guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. 2 really simple DIYs that you can recreate. I hope that you've enjoyed this little video because I really did enjoy making it for you. If you have, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as well as hitting the notification bell and giving this video a huge thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.